Talking about feet, how would you suggest? Is there one or two things you'd tell people to look for when picking out a new running shoe?
So when it comes to running, depending on how serious you are, I always like to sort of have someone evaluated for running because there are many different running styles. Depending on what your running style is, unless you know, you're going to need a specific shoe for that. For example, if you're a sort of more of like a runner who runs on the balls of your feet, like what we call a 4-foot runner, you might want to have something a little more minimalist, like a Nike Free or Vibram or some sort of zero shoe. Because when you're running on the balls of your feet, you inherently are going to land a little softer because you want to feel the ground. So you don't need a lot of cushion. You actually want less cushion so you can get a better feel for the ground. Now, if you're like most runners who kind of run and hit the ground with their heel on the ground, then you might want a more cushioned shoe. Like the Hokas are pretty popular for that. So there are sneakers that are extremely cushioned, especially in the back because you're hitting the ground on your heel. And then you have people who kind of just flatten out their feet every time they run. Their knee collapses in, their foot flats in. And there are sneakers that basically can control that, what we call pronation. So sneakers like the Brooks or even certain Asics, they have a dynamic control sneaker.